Imagine being told you have a brain cancer so aggressive that doctors have called it incurable for decades. Glioblastoma is not just the most common malignant brain tumor, it is also the deadliest. Nearly 1 out of every 2 malignant brain tumors is a glioblastoma. In the United States alone, close to 15,000 people hear this diagnosis each year. Sadly, the odds are grim. Even with surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation, only a small handful of patients survive beyond 5 years. But now, a wave of innovation is challenging that hopeless outlook. Enter CAR T-cell therapy, a revolutionary treatment that engineers a patient's own white blood cells to hunt down cancer. Unlike traditional drugs, these living medicines are tailor-made, designed to seek out and destroy tumors with remarkable precision. While CAR T therapies have already transformed some blood cancers, brain tumors like glioblastoma have remained out of reach, until now. Why is glioblastoma so tough to beat? First, the blood-brain barrier acts like a fortress, blocking most therapies. Second, every tumor is different, even within the same patient. Third, cancer cells are masters of disguise, constantly changing so the immune system cannot recognize them. As Dr. Robert Sterner says, CAR T-cell therapy is a revolutionary new pillar in cancer treatment, but faces real challenges in solid tumors. Recently, however, hope has emerged. In a groundbreaking study, nearly 2/3 of patients with recurring glioblastoma saw their tumors shrink after receiving a Gilead Sciences-backed CAR T therapy made from their own white blood cells. For such a deadly disease, this kind of response is extraordinary. The results, presented at the American Society of Clinical Oncology and published in Nature Medicine, suggest a new chapter could be starting for brain cancer treatment. Of course, challenges remain. Not every patient responds, and some tumors still manage to escape or adapt. The blood-brain barrier continues to block many treatments. As Dr. Terry Fry notes, next-generation CAR T-cells will use advances in gene engineering and synthetic biology to become even more effective. So what does the future hold? Scientists are developing CAR T-cells that can target more than one marker at a time, making it harder for cancer to hide. Nanotechnology may soon help these immune cells slip past the blood-brain barrier, delivering treatment directly to the tumor. Researchers are also working to make CAR T-cells smarter and more adaptable, so they can recognize a wider range of cancer cells, even as tumors change. For patients and families, this means hope. Clinical trials are opening up new options every year, and more centers are offering experimental CAR T therapies. If you or someone you know faces a diagnosis, it is worth exploring these cutting-edge trials. Staying informed and asking about new treatments can make a real difference. And the impact goes beyond just brain cancer. The breakthroughs made here could help fight other hard-to-treat cancers, spreading hope to millions more. As scientists push the boundaries, it proves that supporting research really can save lives. Can next-generation CAR T therapies finally defeat glioblastoma? The answer is no longer just a dream. Tumor shrinkage in over 60% of patients was once unthinkable. Now, it is happening. The battle is not over, but for the first time, there is truly reason to be optimistic. If you want to keep up with the latest in medical innovation, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone who cares about the future of cancer care. Let us know in the comments, what breakthrough would you like to see next? The story of CAR T therapy is just beginning,